Yeah, so this is a little bit of every operator's least favorite chore, but it's definitely part of the job, and wanted to show it. There's one thing about running buncher, I move a lot, and so I'm cleaning my tracks a lot, and it's a chore, no doubt about it, especially during the winter months, which in Oregon is at least 9 months. So digging them out and getting ready to go. It's important to do. And it is a chore, but the Tiger Cat's very well designed. It doesn't have top rolls. It's got slides on the top. So it really is fairly easy to clean out. The hardest part is around the tilter cylinders and the pivot points. I actually try to get those pretty regularly, clean them right out down to the metal, the pockets in the bottom there, around the pins and bushings on the lower end of the barrel end of the tilter cylinders. Get those kind of cleaned out every once in a while, so it's not always running in mud. And this shovel is a great tool. I highly recommend it. It's the best I've found. I think it's a Structron. It's a trench shovel. I think it's 3.5-inch fiberglass handle. Really recommend it. Yes, I did this on Tuesday. Same thing. Yeah, so like I was saying, I do it a lot because this is Friday. Small job here I knocked out. Was I whining there? I'm not sure. I think I was. I talked to the landowner this morning. He was asking about those trees down there by the meth neighbor. I said, yeah, well, I'm not going to cut them. He said, well, why not? I said, there's a law of probabilities. He said, well, it seems to me like you have so much control. I said, yeah, but there's a law of probabilities. And there's a house and a power line involved. Something's going to go wrong. This side is the easier one. That side, you kind of, since I'm right-handed, this is an easy side here. That side's a little harder. I generally swing the machine around from end to end, and kind of put it at an angle. It just makes it easier, like I've got it here. Makes it easier to get inside and push back to clean around the tilters. But yeah, just thought I'd show it. Cleaning the tracks yet again, keeping it clean when I load it up. Thanks for the interest.